Hey, welcome to Trading Futures Live. This is a short video to walk you through the recently created Discord server. If you use Discord frequently, you can skip this part until the section How to use the server. If you don't, I'll help you with a quick guide on how to open a new user. Please type in your browser discord.com. You can either download the app or click login. If you don't have an account, click register. All you need is an email, choose your username, and your date of birth. After you're registered, if you are inside Discord where it says create your server, there's an option down below that says join a server. You can copy the link down on the description below or just click at it. After you click it, you will be inside the server. You will see direct messages from the bot. There's on the top left, there's a blue dot. It's a welcoming message that will say go to the disclaimer channel to access the full features of this server. Now go to the disclaimer and accept the terms of the server by reacting to the message with a green dot. After that, all features will be enabled for you to enjoy and share with other traders. How to use the server. I strongly recommend go to the Start Here section and review the rules so we can enjoy and educate each other with some degree of respect and good manners. On the section notification is a section dedicated only for my personal use. I will be posting their announcements, live streams, and other events. Every day I will be posting my pre-market bias, either long, short, or neutral. Then my trades and my missed trades. I set up a bot to keep us informed about some news event occurring real time and about earnings. Here's the deal with these two channels. I strongly recommend to mute them individually and come back to them when we need. You can mute them by right-clicking and then mute until I turn it back on. They can get really annoying sometimes. Section Trading Community. Here's where you get to hang out. General chat is for any communication and regarding setups and other related topics about trading. I have created different channels for every future asset traded. ES, NQ, RTY, etc. Also, you have the voice channel. I have enabled a voice channel where you can share your screen and share with other traders any topic. I'll be around the Discord server after my live stream is finished. Also, you get to DM me anytime you want. I think technology is a fantastic tool that we get to use nowadays and we have to take advantage of it. This access is completely free and it'll help you big time to be part of this community of traders focused on improving their trading results and overall becoming a professional trader. Thank you for watching and see you in the server. Trade safe.